Hello friends, today we will discuss mixed syllogism. Last class रे में indirect reduction विषय पढ़ले आज गोटे नुआ चैप्टर mixed syllogism start करियो. First of all, syllogism is of two types, pure syllogism and mixed syllogism. Pure syllogism out of syllabus एटा तम बही रे अछि but pure syllogism रे एग्जाम रे कोनोसी क्वेश्चन आसीबनी सो हमें पढिबा only mixed syllogism. So first of all, what is mixed syllogism? Mixed syllogism is a form of syllogism in which all the constituent propositions are not of the same relation. Okay, mixed syllogism रे जेते भी propositions थांतु कोन सिटा समान रिलेशन ले नुहि अर्थात कोनोसी proposition समान नुहि. Mixed syllogism is of four types. चारि प्रकार mixed syllogism. First, mixed hypothetical or hypothetical categorical syllogism. Second, mixed alternative or alternative categorical syllogism. Third, mixed disjunctive or disjunctive categorical syllogism. Fourth one होची dilemma. So exam में question आसी पारे what is mixed hypothetical syllogism or hypothetical categorical syllogism, what is mixed alternative syllogism or alternative categorical syllogism. तो तमे एगुडा को टिके ध्यान दे दिथिबो. सो एग्जाम रे को टाइप रो क्वेश्चन भी आसी जाई पारे. गोटे लॉन्ग टाइप डिस्कशन करिवा. What is hypothetical categorical syllogism? Explain the rules and determine the valid forms of this kind of syllogism with examples. What is hypothetical categorical syllogism? Explain the rules and determine the valid forms of this kind of syllogism with examples. Generally, hypothetical categorical syllogism ta if-then form re हुए. Hypothetical categorical syllogism is a form of mixed syllogism in which the major premise is hypothetical, the minor premise is categorical, and the conclusion is categorical. Example: if he comes, I shall go. If he comes, I shall go. He comes, I shall go. So it is hypothetical if or then form re roila. Then he comes. This is categorical because it is single proposition. Then I shall go. This is also single proposition. So this is also categorical. Rules of mixed hypothetical categorical syllogism. First होची constructive rule, second one होची destructive rule. Constructive rules means हमें affirm करिवा, construct करिया. Destructive rules means को हमें deny करिवा. By affirming the antecedent, we can affirm the consequent but not conversely. This is constructive rule. By affirming the antecedent, we can affirm the consequent but not conversely. एटा होची ए पार्ट. फर्स्ट पार्ट होची antecedent, नेक्स्ट पार्ट होची consequent. So आमे आगे एठी antecedent को affirm कले, then consequent को affirm कले. This is constructive rule. The next one, by denying the consequent, we can deny the antecedent. आज आमे एठी affirm कले जदि deny करिवा. First एटा को consequent ए पार्ट ता consequent को deny करिवा. If he comes, I shall go. जदि deny कले आगे लिखा जिबा I shall not go. Then if he does not come लिखा जिबा. By denying the consequent, we can deny the antecedent but not conversely. Destructive rule. एको हमें conversely करि परिबनी. आगे affirm करिया antecedent, then consequent को affirm करिया. But consequent को affirm करिके antecedent को affirm करि परिबा नाही. First deny करिबा consequent को, then antecedent को deny करिया. But first antecedent को deny करि consequent को deny करि परिबा नाही. So constructive form example, symbolic example. If A is B, then C is D. A is B, अतः C is D. हम constructive rule ले कौन जान ले? By affirming the antecedent, then we will affirm consequent. हमें आगे antecedent को affirm कर ले. A is B, अतः C is D. Then consequent को affirm कर ले. Then concrete rule. If there is sun, then there is light. There is sun, अतः there is light. Then टाइटे तुम्हारा optional तो मैं लिखी पारा ना लिखी पारा किसी असुविधा नहीं. If there is sun, there is light. There is sun, अतः there is light. Then fallacy. देखो, by affirming the consequent of a mixed hypothetical syllogism, if we affirm its antecedent, then we commit the fallacy. हमें rule अनुसार कौन कहते आगे affirm करिवा antecedent, then affirm करिवा consequent. But यहा परिवर्ते जदि हमें आगे consequent को affirm करी, then antecedent को affirm करछुंती, then हमें उटा fallacy commit करिया. सेटा होची fallacy of affirming the consequent. एक rule देखो, आगे antecedent को affirm करिवा, then consequent को affirm करियो. Okay, आगे antecedent को affirm कले, then consequent को affirm करिया. But एठी कोन कहूची by affirming the consequent of a mixed hypothetical proposition. जदि mixed hypothetical syllogism आमे जदि consequent affirm करके then antecedent affirm करछंती then fallacy of affirming the consequent. If there is sun there is light. If there is sun जो comma जति पर्यंत रहिछि सेटा होछि antecedent part, next part होछि consequent part. आमे आगे antecedent को affirm करिवा then consequent को affirm करिवा. एहा परिवर्ते जदि आमे प्रथमे consequent को affirm करतेले there is light आगे consequent आसला then antecedent. If there is sun antecedent आछि. Okay, आगे there is light consequent आसला there is sun then होछि antecedent आछि. सेटा हम गोटे fallacy commit करिया, fallacy of affirming the consequent. Next होछि destructive form. Symbolic example, if A is B C is D, C is not D अतः A is not B. हमें destructive form destructive rule ले कौन जान ले? By denying the consequent we can deny the antecedent. By denying the consequent we can deny the antecedent. आगे हमें consequent को deny करिवा then antecedent को deny करिवा. Consequent होछि antecedent होछि A is B, consequent होछि C is D. तो हमें deny कले C is not D then antecedent होछि A is not B. Concrete example, if there is sun there is light. Again consequent को deny करिया there is no light then antecedent को deny कले there is no sun. बुझी पालो? आगे जदि affirm करछो antecedent को affirm करियो then consequent को affirm करियो, जदि deny करछो आगे consequent को deny करियो then antecedent को deny करियो. ओके, इटी गोटे fallacy बबो. Fallacy of denying the antecedent. By denying the antecedent of a mixed hypothetical syllogism, if we deny its consequent then we commit this fallacy. Rule कहूछि कोन? आगे डिनाय करिया consequent को then डिनाय करिवा antecedent को. जदि आहा परिवर्ते आमे आगे antecedent को डिनाय करी then consequent को डिनाय करंती then आमे गोटे fallacy commit करिवा. सेटा होछि fallacy of denying the antecedent. Example, if there is sun there is light. If there is sun there is light. There is no sun अतः there is no light. ओके, एठी देखो एठी किंतु कोन हेछि आगे consequent को डिनाय कराइछि there is no light then antecedent को डिनाय कराइछि there is no sun. This is rule. बट आमे रूल एग्नेस्ट एठी गले आगे antecedent को डिनाय कले there is no sun आगे antecedent को डिनाय करछंती then consequent there is no light. सो बुझी पालो दुईटा fallacy of affirming the consequent और fallacy of denying the antecedent. कंस्ट्रक्टिव रूल कोन कहूछि आगे antecedent को affirm करिया then consequent को affirm करिया. आ जति आमे ए रूल को भांगंती ताले हम कोन करिया गोटे fallacy फेस करिया fallacy of affirming the consequent. Then destructive rule कहूछि आगे हमें consequent को डिनाय करिवा then antecedent को डिनाय करिवा. जदि हमें ए रूल को भंग करिवा ताले हमें गोटे fallacy फेस करिवा fallacy of denying the antecedent. Thank you.